Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix USPS tracking number not working. Fix 1. Verify tracking number. Ensure you are entering the exact 2022-digit tracking number correctly. USPS tracking numbers must be entered precisely to get accurate status updates. A single mistake in the tracking number can lead to incorrect or no updates on the package's status. Verify the tracking number by checking the shipping confirmation email or the package label to ensure it is entered correctly. Fix 2. Lost or damaged label. If the tracking information is not updating because the label on the package is damaged or lost, it may not be scanned properly at various points in the shipping process. Fix 3. Check for system errors. Sometimes, system errors within USPS can lead to tracking issues. In such cases, consider partnering with a reliable shipping specialist like First Mile for more efficient tracking solutions. Fix 4. Wait and updates. If you have just received the tracking number, it may take some time for the information to be updated in the USPS system. Wait for a few hours or a day and try tracking the package again. Fix 5. Contact USPS. Customer service. If the USPS tracking number not working, then you can contact to USPS customer service for assistance. You can visit your local post office, call 1-800-ASK-USPS, 1-800-275-8757, or send an email to USPS customer service online. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.